The segmental bridge erection machine mainly consists of the main girder, the front rear outrigger, the middle outrigger, the middle high-end, the side high-end, the hoisting front block and hanger. It hides the piezo beam, whirls, and adjusts to the required position, and keeps holding. Hoist and hold the other pieces in the same way. Start the longitudinal and transverse hydro cylinder to adjust all the beams to the same level. Turn on the side high-end bracing hydro cylinder, move down the girder, and dismantle the boom and suspension bracket of the side high-end. Retract the hydro cylinder of the rear outrigger. Start the traveling device of the middle outrigger. The bridge erection machine moves forward for hauling. The hydro cylinder of the front outrigger supports on the bridge pier deck. After the machine moves forward to the next pier, turn on the traveling device of the middle outrigger again. The middle outrigger moves forward for hauling. The machine moves forward again till the rear outrigger is close to the rear middle outrigger. At this moment, all the components of the bridge erection machine are moved to the right positions, and this machine is ready for erecting another beam as a working circle.